Before starting, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Let's start editing. For example, I'm using this photo. Make a copy of this photo. Create a new layer. I'm choosing foreground color red, for example. Select brush tool. Now brush on your whole hair. There is no need to be completely accurate. Choose a soft brush. Change blend option normal to overlay. Now find out where the color needs to be. Then reduce brush tool flow and brush the area. Okay, I'm happy with it. Now add a saturation from below. Choose your hair color. Don't forget to check the clipping mask and color edge option. This is the before, this is the after. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.